Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about the structural design pattern. So, structural design pattern focus on the compositions of classes and objects formed in large structures. They simplify the design by identifying the relationship between the entities, enable flexibility and extensibility in code. These patterns help ensure that the components in the system work together effectively. So in general, structural design pattern will help us to structure our application to make sure the entity in the application work together effectively and make the application reusable, maintainable, and extendable. Here we have some design pattern. In this structural design pattern is adapter, decorator pattern, flyweight pattern, and facet pattern. So in this, I will talk about the adapter pattern first. Okay, adapter pattern when we use this one. So in case there's several incompatible classes and interface in the software engineering because of the legacy code or frequently change IBI. So in this case, adapter pattern will help us to allow the objects with compatible interface to collaborate and work together. It is often used in make the existing class work with other without modify their resource code. Meaning, when you have a existing system and you want to add the new one, but maybe this new it didn't compatible with the current code. So in this case, you might need to structure somehow your new and your current work together effectively. So here an example, we have the application and we have the framework using HTML, but the in legacy code is work with JSON. So in this case, uh, we can use adapter pattern to using the to make it work together. So we will come to the an example to see how this will work. Okay, so let's we start with the an simple example. Here I have a class vehicle interface. In this one, I have methods that an example we have boy as the rate accelerate here, and we have some the implement class here. I have example car to implement this vehicle interface. And so we for demonstration, I will print out the message here as normally. So here we have a car is accelerating. Okay, and we have other concrete example is we have a bus, and this bus also can implement the vehicle. And here we can system out the message is bus is accelerating, and then this system is working. But now we want to add a new one is example the bicycle. this bicycle cannot be have an engine to accelerate. So here we have the method in bicycle we can is the go. For example, and here we have bicycle is running here, and but we want to make this class work with our current one is we need to make this inform with the other is currently our is the vehicle, and other class is the car and bus. Now we can use adapter button. So here we will add the class is adapter bicycle adapter. And this class will adapt with the current existing code. It will implement the vehicle here, and it will call the bicycle here to form this one with the current existing code. We have a bicycle as constructor face, and in this one we just call this bicycle go, and here, and we can create the vehicle example car, new car. Here we can create the bus, new bus, and we want to create the okay, we try this one first, car and bus now can run. You can see car is accelerating and bus is accelerating. Now we can create the bicycle here with the adapter classes. In here we cannot create the sorry, here much is the vehicle. Here we cannot create uh, the bicycle here, but we can create it with the adapter uh, adapter bicycle adapter, and it's here new bicycle, and then we can call the bicycle accelerate here. See, now we have a bicycle is running, but it's we call this with accelerate. So here I have some cases to using this pattern. Here we have integration with library system, third-party library. This just the exam I just showed you previous. we multi-data format, etc. Here we can see we can use adapter with different protocol and some other, especially we with the file handling when we working with the files with various format structure, adapter pattern can convert them into standardized format. And, uh, this is the communication between the microservices. I have an example about this wrapping external system, or you can think of communication in microservice also. Here I have an example, payment example here. In this example, we have uh, our application have API is process payment with the some type of banking here. We have a PayPal or Stripe, and we need to call to this party to process the payment. So in our application, we can use the adapter pattern in this case to adapt with the several uh, types of payment method here. We have in this example, I also use the strategy design pattern here. You can see, uh, or you can come to the strategy design pattern video. Also, there's example about the payment example. Here we have a payment context, and we have some adapter to call to the third party. Here we have a PayPal and adapter for Stripe. This is the PayPal service. In real case, this is the class we will inject, or the library we will inject in our application. Here I have a real example for e-commerce Spring Boot. I will maybe introduce you later in the other example about the real application here. But here you can see we have create the payment, and this is the this class we will use Stripe library here. We in our service, in our application, we will create an API and call to this party to process the payment. Here you can see type wrap payment type wrap, or uh, implementation in this classes. You can see in detail. Here they call to their system to process or to create the payment intent. So here in our example, we have this is the one I simulate for that service. We will call to the third party and process the payment. And then, and this is the third party, and this is our adapter to adapt some kind of payment methods and process the payment in our system. This is some real example for your reference. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, please put in comment. Thank you for your watching.